friends, this is Techie Jaat Sanyukt and today I'm making this video about hands-on experience of Galaxy S9 Plus. I also made an unboxing video of this phone in case you wonder what comes inside of this phone box and what other things you get when you buy Galaxy S9 Plus. Please do watch that also. And coming to this hands-on video, the first thing you will notice is the design of this phone. Samsung has nailed the product design. I can easily tell you that this is the most beautiful and attractive phone I ever used. Just like the design, build quality and the feel of this phone is outstanding. The infinity display simply look gorgeous, and just like the last year, the front screen and the back glass both are curved from the both sides. Make it look amazing but at the same time very slippery. The display quality is the best you can get in any smartphone, and thanks to its high screen to body ratio, most of the time it will feels like you are just holding a screen instead of a phone. And coming to the hardware performance, there is no noticeable lag, neither in normal usage or playing game or doing heavy stuff. Speaking of hardware, Samsung has changed the position of fingerprint scanner. Now it is placed on very approachable position. And also Samsung S9 has more ways to unlock your phone than any other smartphone. Like it has face unlock, iris scanner, fingerprint scanner, passcode, patterns and Google unlock features. And I believe these are more than enough choices anyone want. S9 Plus has 3500 mAh battery and the battery life is also decent. Not so amazing but definitely better than average. Samsung has also improved the audio quality. Both S9 and S9 Plus has stereo speakers in it with Dolby Atmos support. They are very loud yet clear and really enjoyable to listen. The main thing Samsung is flaunting about S9 and S9 Plus is the dual camera with dual aperture. I have taken couple of shots from this phone and they are really good. Yes, it's an amazing camera and an improved one from the last year. And I didn't compare it to any other smartphone yet, but I believe it will give a tight competition to its rival. One thing for sure, Samsung now has the lead in slow-mo. Its super slow-mo is super amazing, and the results will blow out the competition as well as. So guys, this was my hands-on review of this phone. I will upload detailed review and the camera comparison shortly. And please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and hit the like button if you like this video. This is Techie Jaat signing out. Bye bye.